How to delete repost on TikTok. If any day any of you are a TikTok user and you like a video on your very TikTok account and therefore you repost the very video on your TikTok account, but any day now you would like to delete the repost from your TikTok, or you would like to remove that repost on your TikTok but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch the very TikTok application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the very TikTok application on your mobile device, and after you find it, now you have to tap on TikTok like this. After you tap on TikTok like this, now the TikTok application will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the profile like icon that is on the down right portion, and then after tapping on the down portion, now you have to go to the icon of the repost, that is this very icon. Now after you tap on the repost icon like this, you'll find the reposted videos. Now in order to delete any of the repost videos, you have to tap on it like this, and after tapping on it like this, what you can do is you have to just click on it this way, and then you can go to the option of removing it from your very profile. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.